Indy the Inchworm goes eh. Indy the Inchworm inched along a twig. High in the air, Indy felt a little scared. Eh, 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 she squeaked as she balanced on the twig. Indy wasn't sure she would make it across. But then, Indy saw her friend Iggy the iguana. "Go, Indy! You can do it!" Iggy called. Eh, 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 Indy squeaked, but this time with excitement. With Iggy cheering, Indy reached her leaf and nibbled her tasty snack. Can you rock your body back and forth like you're losing your balance and go, eh, eh, eh? The letter I makes lots of different sounds. In our story, the letter I goes eh, like Indy.